Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how to locate and replace your final stage resistor. Now if you're still having a battery drain problem and your climate control unit is not the case, then it might be your final stage resistor. The resistor is located at the back of the dashboard next to the heater matrix. To remove the resistor, you need to remove the side panel using a T20. Once you have removed the side panel, you would also need to remove the trim under the steering column. There are 3 T20 screws which are located at the front and a big plastic screw at the back. Once you've removed the screws, it's time for the connectors and the light to also be removed. Once the trim is completely free from the connectors, you will need to lean inside the dashboard next to the pedals and you will see the resistor. Unfortunately, I couldn't record the removal of the resistor as I couldn't get the tools and the camera as it is a very tight area, but there are 2 T20 screws, one at the bottom left and one at the top right. And the connector is also easy to remove. Just pinch it towards the sides and remove it. If you've liked my video, please make sure to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching.